Hello, I'm Mariana from Durban in South Africa. I'm busy with a series where I combine fabric with crocheting to make zipper pouches. The video of the next pouch is already released. You will see it here appearing on screen if you have missed it. This pouch actually had a wool of its own. So the only fabric that I've used in this one is actually the fabric that I've used to make the lining. I guide you through all the steps on how I've done it, on how I've made the little balls that I've attached here to the slider, and how I've also made this tab that you can actually carry it as a small handbag. I have enjoyed this process from beginning to end. Here I've just allowed myself the freedom to play a little bit. I've looked in my cupboard for yarns that have texture that I still didn't crochet with because I found it harder to crochet with it. I think it's meant more for knitting, and I've just started to do my own thing here with them. And at the end, I've enjoyed it so much that I actually didn't want to use fabric on it and just play around with more of the same colors that toned in. And this is actually also a really good way if you have scraps of yarn. I can just imagine if you start playing around with other colors. And at the end I thought, what a lovely runner that will make, and even what a lovely carpet also something like that would make. So if you enjoy what you see, it, if you think you're going to use it, please go and look on my channel and subscribe also. I would be really blessed if you do that.